Hello students, good morning. I am N.K. Jha from APS. As we know that we are reading English literature. So I want to tell you before this class we have discussed something which is related from chapter number 1, Truth in the Forest. So on that day we had already told some facts and some words about Friedrich Winken. So great author, one who composed Truth in the Forest, and when he began to write this particular story, we have to understand after reading the text, after reading the book. So that day we have described, we had described about the other works and about the other conditions. It was too important for understanding, so have to understand it. Now let us have to discuss the topic Truth in the Forest. This is a true story. I mean to say this is a true story, and that happened when the writer was a child. That happened when the writer was a child living in war toward Germany in 1944. This is the story related from war and the war between Germany and America. Germany and America. So from there the story is taken, but this is a true story, and how the author composed it we have to understand and we have to read. When we hear the knock on our door, that Christmas Eve in 1944, Eve means festival. When we hear the knock, जैसे ही मैंने दरवाजे पर आवाज़ सुनी on our door, that Christmas Eve in 1994, Christmas का समय था, it was the time of Christmas. Neither mother nor I had the slightest inkling of the quiet miracle that lay in store for us. I was 12 then, and we were living in a small cottage in the Virgin Forest. मैं कितने वर्ष का था? मैं 12 वर्ष का था, and we were living in a small cottage. Cottage means hut. हम लोग एक छोटे से झोपड़ी में रहा करते थे. In the Virgin Forest. कौन से फॉरेस्ट में? Virgin Forest. This is the name of the forest. Near the German Belgian border. ये फॉरेस्ट कहाँ था? Where it is situated? It is situated near the German Belgian border. Okay, when Allied bombers partly destroyed our hometown of Aachen. Aachen is the name of the place, name of the hometown. When Allied bombers partly, जब bombers लोगों ने हमारे hometown को, Aachen को तोड़ दिया, मतलब टुकड़ा टुकड़ा कर दिया. Father sent us to live there. तो पापा ने हम लोगों को कहाँ भेज दिया? हॉटन फॉरेस्ट में, जो कहाँ था? वेयर इट इज? नियर द जर्मन बेल्जियन बॉर्डर. ओके, ही हैड बीन ऑर्डर्ड इनटू द सिविल डिफेंस फायर गार्ड इन द बॉर्डर टाउन ऑफ मोन्स चाउ 4 miles away. ही हैड बीन ऑर्डर्ड, और उसने ऑर्डर दिया, इनटू द सिविल डिफेंस फायर गार्ड, जो सिविल डिफेंस में फायर गार्ड थे, इन द बॉर्डर टाउन, जो टाउन के बॉर्डर के आसपास थे, ऑफ मोन्सचाओ, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द प्लेस, मोन्सचाओ के बॉर्डर वाले टाउन में, जो कि व्हिच इज 4 miles अवे। कितना दूरी था? 4 miles अवे था। नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस द टॉपिक अबाउट द बॉक्स, फाइंड आउट व्हिच वर्ड इज बीइंग रेफर्ड टू हियर। किस वर्ड के बारे में बात हो रही है? किस वार के बारे में बात हो रही है? ये वार कब शुरू हुई थी? When the writer was 12 years old only, and World War II in 1994, which was held in 1994, and war between Germany and America. So you will be safe in the woods. Woods means jungle. Woods means forest. And his father told you will be safe in the woods, कि तुम लोग जंगल में सेफ हो, तुम लोग जंगल में सेफ हो। He had told me take care of mother. उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था take care of mother, अपने मम्मी का ध्यान रखना। Now you are the man of the family. अब तुम ही इस परिवार का मेन सदस्य हो, मुख्य आदमी हो। सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर मदर, अंडरस्टैंड? एंड दिस वाज द सिचुएशन, दिस वाज द कंडीशन। बट 9 days बिफोर क्रिसमस, फील्ड मार्शल वॉन Rundstedt had launched the last. Rundstedt had launched the last. But 9 days before Christmas, क्रिसमस के 9 दिन पहले, फील्ड मार्शल वॉन रंडस्टेट हैड लॉन्च्ड, मार्शल नाम का इंसान, आदमी जो था, उसने लॉन्च किया क्या? द लास्ट डिस्परेट जर्मन ऑफेंसिव ऑफ द वॉर। एंड नाउ एज आई वेंट टू द डोर, the battle of the Bulge was ragging all around us. We heard the instant booming of field guns. Flames swirled continuously overhead. At night, searchlights stabbed through the darkness. Thousands of Allied and German soldiers were fighting and dying nearby. फिर हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? हम लोगों ने क्या सुना कि फील्ड में गन्स की आवाज़ आ रही है, बहुत ज़्यादा और बहुत भयानक जो है सो वार चल रहे हैं। प्लेन्स सोल्ड कंटिन्यूसली ओवरहेड, सर के ऊपर में हवाई जहाज़ की आवाज़ गूंज रही है। एट नाइट सर्च लाइट्स स्टेप्ड थ्रू द डार्कनेस। Thousands of Allied and German soldiers were fighting and dying nearby. और हजारों की संख्या में जर्मन सोल्जर्स जो है सो मारे जा रहे थे। This was the condition, this was the dangerous condition. In this chapter, Truth in the Forest, when that first knock came, mother quickly blew out the candles. जैसे ही पहली आवाज़ आई, उसकी पहली आवाज़ आई, उसके मम्मी ने कैंडल को जलाया। As I went to answer it, she stepped ahead of me and pushed open the door. Outside, like phantoms against the snow-clad trees, stood two still helmeted men. One of them spoke to mother in a language we didn't So according to me, we have already discussed about the condition about the German-Belgian border and how the German soldiers were fighting and dying nearby. Because truce in the forest refers for war between Germany and America. It's a true story and had created a lot of agony in the people of Germany and America. So I mean to say, you will have to read the text properly. After that you can better understand and you will enjoy to know the story, and finally you will solve all kinds of story which is related from truth in the forest, and you will feel a lot of satisfaction after writing question answers. So it is very important, and in next class we shall try to understand the topic from from page 1 and page 2 you will have to read. In next class I will discuss, and finally you have to know also the important topic which is given in blue box, and it is necessary for all students. What does it mean? After knowing that, we can express our views according to the story Truce in the Forest. So it's very important, and hard work you will have to note in your notebooks, because it will help you to understand the story, to understand the theme of Truce in the Forest. And I think you are able to do that. So finally you will have to collect word meaning from Truce in the Forest, and have to try to remember it after consulting the dictionary, and you will find word meaning finally. So it's too important for all of us, for all of you, and have to remember it. Okay, thanks.